What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello, and return subscriber, what's up?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only.
Alrighty guys, so in today's video we are going to be installing and styling this beautiful unit that was sent to me by Megalook. Thank you so much to Megalook for sponsoring today's video. Y'all can see this wig is giving, and the way it's holding the curl should be a crime, period. This looks so freaking good. I love the color of this wig. This is a 24-inch 13x4 balayage. I never know how to say that word, balayage, but it's basically like a highlight unit, which is super duper gorgeous. I think Megalook, out of all the wigs I've ever reviewed, Megalook has the best highlight wigs in my opinion. I just love the balance between like the 27 number 30 blonde and then the black. I just like it so much better than like the typical browns and blondes. So if you're interested in knowing my thoughts on this unit, if you want to see how we style this hair and how we achieve these curls with a flat iron, definitely keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so this is what the packaging is looking like from Megalook. It comes in this satin bag. This is the star of the show, but this is the goodies that they give us. So we have a wig cap, we have our elastic band that says Megalook, we have some lashes, a hair clip, and an edge brush. So this is what the beautiful 13x4 balayage highlight wig is looking like, and girl, it is a full 13x4. The knots are super small, so I did not have to bleach that, which I love. Like, we love a simple, quick, and easy install. So what I'm doing here is I'm taking my Ghost Bond glue and I'm just putting a thin layer on my cap so my cap does not slide back. This is the best, hands down best bald cap method. Get on it if you're not already on it. Put down the spray, pick up the glue. Your cap is not going to be rolling back, sliding back, none of that. It's going to be locked in, girl. So next up, I'm going to take my Ruby Kisses cream foundation, and I'm in shade 09, and I'm literally going to smother that all over the frontal, okay? We're going to work that all in, especially because we didn't bleach our knot, so this is what's going to help it look like, you know, scalp, look like skin. So as I had smothered that in, my cap was drying down. The glue dries down very fast because you're doing a thin layer. I'm just going to cut this. It's giving very bald. I like to use the ultra thin bald caps now. I just feel like it just looks way more baldy, like. So I did go ahead and put the foundation on the cap off camera, but this is what the wig looks like, guys. Look at this. Look at this wig. I did pluck this off camera, but this hairline is so raw. Period. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and just take the Ghost Bond glue. I do want to try out some new glues, but Ghost Bond, it just does so good. It doesn't have that white tacky residue left over. It holds down pretty well. Sweat proof. I don't know if it's waterproof, like dipping the pool waterproof, but it probably is. So yeah, I just smoothed her down. I did go ahead and do 2 layers off camera, and we are just going to position this wig. The way I like to position the wig is putting the hairline right before my hairline or right before the bald cap. And that's that. Period. Do your happy dance, because you look like a baddie already. So I'm going to go ahead and just take the elastic band, and we are just going to tie her down, okay? Hold me down, okay? Wow, that clip looked so seamless. You would think I took it off the same second. But I did go ahead and put the elastic band for a little bit over 10 minutes. I want to say about 15 minutes. Then I took it down. And what you guys see me doing here is just cutting off the excess lace with the scissor. So you guys know, if you watch any of my hair videos, I like to use the eyebrow razor to cut off my lace, but lately the scissor has been giving seamless. It doesn't tape line. I don't know, it just comes out really good. I still kind of do a zigzag motion, but yeah. So I cut my ear tabs out, and the wig is looking fire already. But I'm gonna take my Spritz stronghold, and we just kind of spray that on the hairline one more time, tie it down one more time, and it's just giving scalp. And that's why with today's look, I didn't even have to do edges. Thick, yeah, very much thick. The hairline is thin, but the wig is thick, period. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm just taking my hot comb, and I'm just hot combing her, making sure she's nice and flat. After I hot comb, then I go back in with the wax stick, and I'm just smoothing this down on my hair. and then back with the hot comb. So do that technique. Hot comb, just regular, no product, and then go in with your wax stick. I feel like it gets the wig way flatter, way seamless, way smoother. Then I'm just cleaning up my part, making sure it is a little bit more defined, but I still want the part to be nice and skinny. And then I'm going to take my Ruby Kiss foundation again just to define the part. Period. Yeah. So today we're doing a flat iron curl. So I'm going to give you guys a mini tutorial. So you start at the root of the hair, slide down a little bit. Okay. You flip the hair over, and then you just start turning the flat iron. And as you're turning the flat iron away from you, is this towards me or away from me? Wait, no, you're turning the flat iron towards you. You're literally sliding down. Okay. I hope that makes sense. I'm going to show you guys a few more times because that definitely sounded like, what the hell you talk about, girl? But yeah, after I slide all the way to the edge of the hair, then I roll it up and I hold it for an extra 10 to 15 seconds. Then I slowly release, and this is what the curl looks like. Flawless, flawless. So you see me sliding down, turning towards me, flipping the hair over the flat iron, sliding down, then we're gonna turn, sliding down. Whenever you get stuck, you'll see me open the flat iron just a tiny bit to help maneuver and help it slide down a little bit more easily. But we go all the way to the edge of the hair while we're turning, and I'm gonna pull all the way to the edge. Boom, we look good. Stop, and then we're gonna roll it right back up. And then you just hold this for about 10 to 15 seconds, and you slowly pull down, and the curls just bounce. These curls were super duper raw, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I do with the remainder of my hair. The front portion, I did frame it a little bit, a tiny bit to my face. Nothing extreme. You won't even think I had bangs, but it did help with the front curls. And then here we're just doing the same thing. We are curling your girl. So on this side, I believe that's my left side, I want to say. But with that side, I curled it properly. But you see with this side, I should have curled it away from me. I curled it the same direction, and the curls were a little bit wonky. So you guys see, like, one side the curl just frames my face perfectly, and then the other side the curl starts so low, and it's because I didn't flip the opposite side. Alright guys, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to comb the curls out, and this is what the curls look like. This wig is so fire, guys. The curls held so beautifully well. Okay, I had to pull out so you guys can see what I look like. These curls are so beautiful. They're classy, but still like baddie. But the color is a perfect balance. It's just so raw, period, okay? Get into the thickness and the bounce. All right, my love, so that is the end of today's video. In today's video, I wanted to show you guys how I installed and how I styled this gorgeous hair that was sent to me by Megalook. Again, thank you so much to Megalook for sponsoring today's video. I love you guys so much. That's why I work with them like so much. We locked in because their quality is so fire. So if you were thinking about getting this wig, I hope this video convinced you, because girl, it got me. Megalook got me on lock because their quality is just bomb.com. But if you are interested to purchase this wig, I have all the information down below in my description box. You guys can check that out with some links, some promo codes, and all that good stuff. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for tapping into today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.